Double clamp double function ground resistance tester. Ground resistance test. Red test cable clamp on the ground pile. Yellow test cables clamp on the ground pile. The green test cable clamp the grounding wire under test. The distance between ground stakes is 2 to 3 meters. Power on. Default AC grounding resistance test. Plug in the test cables according to color. Test. Test completed. 8.098 ohms as usual. The resistance was read at 8.098 ohms. Save. Print.